All right, so I finally got finished with my trading session for the day. I waited to see a good setup that I actually liked for 4 hours today. Now, I normally don't trade for this long. Usually I'll cut it off at 3 hours, but there's pretty good volatility. The market was choppy, but it was moving a lot. So I knew I could get some kind of scalp on NASDAQ, whether it's 20, 30 points. And that's exactly what I was able to do. So I want to go and show you guys that trade, kind of what I was watching for the day. So as you can see, took one trade on NASDAQ, ended up making around $208 in 10 of my PA Apex accounts. So in total, made just over $2,000 profit on the day. Now, I was originally watching gold this morning, and there just wasn't really any setups that I really liked. Same with oil. I was also watching oil. We're in an uptrend. If you guys don't know how I trade already, I'm a trend pullback trader. So I'm trading with the trend. I'm waiting for those light pullbacks to get in on. And we just didn't really see it. So what I did is I switched back over to NASDAQ. And typically I don't like trading commodities, gold and oil, after 8:30 my time, which is 10:30 Eastern, just because they tend to slow down a lot and get more choppy. So around 8:30, I started tuning into NASDAQ. We can see, obviously, if we go over to a bigger time frame, you can see we're still in an uptrend. We're holding this key support area down here. Overall trend is up. Obviously, we're just kind of consolidating down here. It's like, okay, if we could get a bounce off this level, I can look for light pullbacks to play this long. And that's kind of what I started doing, like I said, at around 8:30 my time. So anyways, let me go back into the 2-minute time frame. And we can see 8:30 is around right here, okay? So typically what I like to see is I like to see an intense move up, which we got off the support level. We had huge volume come in, intense move up, and a light pullback. Now, on this pullback, on this light pullback, I like to see at least one red candle. These are Heikin-Ashi candles. And we didn't get that, right? We got consistent green move all the way up. Now, I could have got in after this candle, but we just had a lot of volume resistance here. So I didn't really like that. And again, it wasn't a green. And again, we didn't get a red candle, so it technically doesn't follow my exact rules. So we got this move up all the way back to here. And then I wanted to see a light pullback for us to maybe test this next level up here. Never got that. We got a deep pullback, sold off almost all the gains, so very intense move down. And then we chopped around, right? So there's nothing I could do here. And then we got a little bit of an intense move up, very light pullback. I could have played this long. I actually think I wasn't around at this time. I went to the store real quick for like 30 minutes. Anyways, got another move up, failed at this resistance once again. I was not looking for shorts on NQ just because this was a huge demand zone. We were holding it over the past few days. Lots of volume was coming in, so buyers were really trying to defend this level. It's like, I don't want a short down here, right? We could have got a short right here. We got this intense move down, light pullback, could have got in here, took this short, but again, just more risky with this demand zone. I don't know where buyers are going to step in again. Obviously, they're trying to fake a lot of short sellers out, so we would like make a new low, huge volume would come in, we'd bounce up, right? So again, looking for longs. Next set of green candles we got was right here, right? What happened? Got an intense move up, looking for a light pullback. Was thinking about getting an entry here, but again, we never got confirmation. RMAC was below the top line, so I need to see us above this top line in order for me to go long, okay? What happened? We pulled all the way back once again, so I can't trade it, right? I'm looking for light pullbacks. And then once again, right, we broke the low, faking short sellers out. Everyone got stopped out here. What happened? Huge volume came in once again. We got this nice intense move up, right? And then what happened? We got this light pullback. We got the red candle. The RMAC is above the top line. I got in right here on this candle. This candle closed good. RMAC was pointing up, and I did scalp this. I just wrote this up to a 1-to-1 risk reward. So basically my trade looks something like this. Basically got in up here. I always put my stop right below the pullback low. So this is where my stop loss was. And then my 1-to-1 was right at around 104 or so. So this is what my trade looked like. Again, very simple trade, but it just took a long time for it to actually play out like I wanted it to. So I'm glad I stayed patient and kind of stuck with my rules, even though I could have got some entries, over here. But this is what I wanted to see. This is my ideal setup, especially coming off this demand zone once again with lots of volume coming in. So anyways, that was my one and only trade for the day on the NASDAQ. And that is how I made this $2,000 profit on my PA Apex accounts. So anyways, guys, that being said, I hope you guys all had a great trading day yourself. Real quick before you guys go, like I've been saying this week, if you guys are still struggling with trading, you want a very detailed system to follow, something to teach you A to Z, and you want some more personal help, I have some more spots open for my coaching program. So currently I'm looking for a few more motivated people who are committed to becoming a profitable day trader. Inside the private coaching program, I'll personally teach you my strategy for 30 days. I'll personally be reviewing your trades, and I'll even be trading live with you on Zoom Monday through Friday as well. Plus, you'll also get lifetime access to my inner circle group. And you can see, I post notes in here throughout the day, like at 10:03 my time today. I said, coming back into support, if buyers defend again, I'll be looking for longs back up to VWAP area, right? So this was, let's go find 10:03 on the charts. This was right here, okay? So I posted this around right here. If we come back to this level, I'm gonna be looking for longs. Again, everyone in here knows my setup. Obviously, you'd be going through my 30-day training. You would know what to look for. And again, the first setup that appeared was this light pullback right here. So you'd also be getting access to this channel. This is actually where I trade live on Zoom. I post a link in here every day as well. So anyways, if you guys are interested in joining that coaching program, you feel like all that stuff would be helpful for your trading, all you have to do is go to the first link in the description below this video. It's going to take you over to my Instagram account. Just message me the word trading so I know it's from you. And I'm just going to ask you a few questions to make sure you'd be a good fit to join us. Then I'll send you all the details from there. With that being said, guys, as always, I hope you have a great rest of your day. I'll see you tomorrow morning at market open for another trading session. Hopefully it's a little bit less choppy and we get our setup sooner this time. So I'll see you there tomorrow morning.